2019 KTM 500 EXC-F. I'll see if I can remember all the mods that have been done. Started off with the Turbis white plastics full kit with the DecalWorks graphics set, bulletproof designs, radiator guards, bulletproof designs, rotor guard and caliper guard, a Turbis frame guard, Boyson supercooler water pump, a Turbis skid plate, Turbis front rotor guard, it's got the KTM headlight, LED headlight, FMF pipe with the XCW fender with the Sick Ass Racing turn signals I installed. And a Sick Ass Racing key eliminator, aftermarket mirrors, Vortex ECU. The bike has been desmogged. And it's got the KTM swing arm covers, guards. I know there's some things I'm missing, but I think that covers the big stuff.